true that crypto can change your life, but it's not as easy the way some people make it look. That is why in this video, I want to share with you 5 harsh truths about crypto that no one will easily tell you, okay? Truth number 1 is that crypto is very volatile. Today you are in the profit room, tomorrow you are at the losing side. Today you can be in profit, tomorrow the market can drop. That is the bitter truth about crypto. Yeah, truth number 1. Crypto is volatile. Crypto market is volatile. Today you can make profits, tomorrow the market can drop and you make losses. Bitter truth, you understand? Most of these gurus that teach you about crypto online, they will not tell you this. Even if they tell you, they will make it sound as if it's not a big deal, like it's not something serious. Volatility is what keeps the crypto market going, up and down trend of market price. It is very, very unstable. Any coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any crypto coin at all experience high margin of volatility. Then truth number 2 is that not every crypto project is legit. Yes, scam and rug pull is real. Always do your research. Before putting money in any crypto asset or any crypto coin, do detailed research about that crypto coin, because some of these coins are just dumps. You understand? Probably the project owners, people that put in money in that project, they might have sold off and walked away with their money. So you putting money in such crypto project, automatically you won't make anything. It's a total waste of time, it's a total waste of investment, it's a total waste of resources. So that is harsh truth number 2. Not all crypto projects are legit. Rug pull is there. Make your detailed research before you put money into any crypto project. Then harsh truth number 3. I'll be sharing just 5 in this video. Harsh truth number 3 about crypto. You won't get rich overnight. Yes, that is the bitter truth. You won't get rich overnight with crypto. Real success in crypto takes time and consistency. You have to stay locked in for a very long time if you want to get decent results or if you want to make decent profit. Yes, this is not a get quick rich scheme. Note that crypto is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires patience, it requires consistency. You have to stay locked in for a very long time. I've been hunting crypto for the past 1 year, acquiring crypto knowledge for the past 1 year, and I'm still in the game. So it's not something that will help you become rich overnight. Bitter truth. Then harsh truth number 4 is that you can lose money in crypto. Truth be told, you can lose money. If you invest in crypto without decent crypto knowledge, the market will teach you the hard way. Yes, it is obvious that if you don't have crypto knowledge, if you don't really know how crypto works, you stand a chance of losing decent amount of money, because you'll be doing things at random, and crypto don't permit random approach. Crypto permit people that have the decent knowledge about how the ecosystem work. So before you even start thinking of putting money in crypto, the first step is to go and acquire crypto knowledge. Try to know how crypto work, how crypto market work, how crypto investment work, the strategic approach to apply when it has to do with trying to make money with crypto. Yes, hello guys, welcome back. My name is Daniel Anthony. In case you are seeing me for the very first time, what I do here on this channel is that I teach people from all around the world, interested viewers, how to make money online, share tips and strategies that can help you build sustainable income stream online by taking advantage of 3 internet space, which happens to be the crypto ecosystem, the content business ecosystem, and the social media ecosystem. These are our 3 areas of concentration. We are trying to build sustainable income stream around this area, and we are already getting success. We're already getting decent results. So you can join us, subscribe if you like what you're watching already, drop a comment, share so that other people can join, your family, your friends, and well-wishers that are also thinking of how to build an income stream online. This is the best community to join, because I push out content almost every day that will guide you on the right path to trade if your intention is to build income stream for yourself online, just as I'm doing. Harsh truth number 5 about crypto is that crypto requires discipline. Emotions like fear and greed can literally destroy your investment. That is it. Okay, if you're in the crypto game, you must be a rugged-minded person. Like, the crypto ecosystem is for the rugged-minded people, people that don't care, like they don't panic. You don't always tench because the market is going down. Maybe volatility is bringing down the price of a particular coin asset or a particular crypto asset that you invested money in, and then you now started panic selling, or you now started tension. No, that's not the kind of people that crypto is meant for. Crypto is meant for disciplined people. If you put in your investment, you say, okay, this investment is going to last for 2 years. If it doesn't stay for 2 years, I'm not withdrawing. Let it be. Okay, so that's it. You have to know this. Crypto is very, very powerful, but knowledge is your best protection. If you don't really know how crypto works, you don't have decent crypto knowledge, mind you, you will run at loss at the end of the day. Okay, so these are the 5 harsh truths I just want to share with you about crypto, because effect from tomorrow we'll transition to our content edition. We'll be sharing content on content creation topics so that you that are also interested in the content creation business, you can still learn. So until meet again, I just have to say I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace.